Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. I want to share with you the new way to buy online the ultimate work tools for professional maintenance and repair operations. So, you're looking to level up your fastening game and wondering if an impact driver's worth it. If you're in construction, auto repair, aviation, or shipbuilding, this tool is a game changer. Unlike standard drills, impact drivers deliver powerful, rapid bursts of torque that drive screws fast and clean, even into tough materials. Plus, they're easier on your wrist, letting you work longer with less fatigue. Let's break it down. First, pick the right impact-rated bit. These are built for the torque. Snap it into the quick-release chuck and you're good to go. Set your speed. Low for control, high for tougher materials. Keep the bit straight to avoid stripping screws, apply steady pressure, and let the driver do the work. Two hands give you better control, especially when the torque kicks in. And once it's in, stop. Over-tightening can damage the material. Finally, keep your tool clean and check bits and batteries regularly for peak performance. Now, what's the best impact driver to go for? Stick with trusted brands like DeWalt, Stanley, Makita, or Bosch. Whether you need compact power, long battery life, or serious torque, these brands deliver. Because when you're working under pressure, having the right tool isn't optional. It's essential. So remember, learn how to use it, know when to use it, and choose a tool you can rely on. You'll find the best models available now on Mr. Worker. Work smarter, work like a pro. Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.